this is another nervous system question, and this question asks us to outline the importance of the junctions. It's the importance of the junctions between neurons in the function of the nervous system. So when talking about the junctions, we're talking about synapses. Okay, so the first thing about synapses then is it's involved in memory and learning. Whenever you're learning something new, right, or committing something to memory, you will just build and make and produce new synapses. The other thing you can mention is that synapses, that there's two types: excitatory and inhibitory. Make sure that you're saying and, that there's both. Third point is that it ensures movement of impulses in one direction. The neurotransmitter can't go across the synapse both ways. It can only go from the presynaptic membrane to the postsynaptic membrane. The receptors are only found on the postsynaptic membrane. Okay, the fourth role is integration. You can just describe integration, which is that one neuron can connect and receive impulses from many neurons. So it's one to many. Fifth importance is summation. Again, you can provide a description. So that's when there's enough action potentials arrive to trigger depolarization in the next neuron. One neuron being triggering an action potential and linking to a synapse might not be enough to trigger an action potential in the next neuron, but several action potentials from several synapses meeting at the same synapse will trigger an action potential in the next neuron. Sixth reason is the idea that it filters out low-level stimuli. So that's ensuring that only stimulation that is strong enough will be passed on. Just remember that everything's ignored to do with signals, messages, all right? It's all about electrical impulses that you have to talk about. Okay, so there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 reasons why they're important for a 3-mark question. So you would need 3 of the 6.